Okay, so how do railway signals actually keep thousands of trains safe every single day? Let's find out.
Right? How do they all share the same tracks without one huge jam? Well, it's not magic.
This diagram is basically our map. We're going to break it all down piece by piece.
And it all kicks off with the train. The whole system is designed just to track it.
As the train rolls along, its wheels hit some special sensors built right into the tracks. Let's zoom in on those sensors. You can think of them as this system's eyes and ears. Each little part has its own job. One spots the wheels, another counts them, and a box sends the message.
It's that simple, really. The wheels complete a circuit and tell the system, hey, I'm here.
You see these arrows? That's the message from the sensor heading down to the system's brain. And here we are at the control center. This is the brains of the whole entire operation. Inside, computers take all that sensor data and figure out the safest path for the train. These blue arrows just show how all the parts inside talk to each other to make a fast, safe choice. Okay, decision made. Now, the control center sends its command out. That's this green arrow here. So, where's that command going? To the signal light. It's basically a traffic light for trains. You already know this drill. Red means stop, amber's for caution, and green means all clear. But how does the light actually change color? Well, this box gets the command and flips the switch. This is the final link. It turns that digital command into a real light the driver can see. So when that light turns green, it means just one thing. The track ahead is clear and safe. And that's the whole point, right? To make sure two trains are never in the same spot. So this six-step process, this whole dance, happens constantly to keep trains moving safely. There's a whole hidden world out there, from track switches to communication lines. Pretty amazing, isn't it?